Okay, so today we're going to learn about tacking and gybing. So in sailing, when you're making a tack upwind, the wind's here. The tack is a turn to have the wind coming from the other side. If you're a boat here and you have the wind coming from your left side and you make a tack, the wind will come from the right side. Similarly, a jibe, if you're going downwind, a jibe will have the wind coming from the right side of the boat, the wind coming from the left side of the boat. So when you're starting to make a tack in your boats, you need the first steps. We're going to write down the steps to tacking and jibing here. First step is to push the tiller so that you can turn the boat. You can make the turn the other way. So first step is to push the tiller. The next part is you want to switch to the other side of the boat. So you want to be sitting on the other side of the boat so that you're opposite the sail. So the next part is step. You're going to step to the other side. Sorry about my bad handwriting. An important point here is to remember to duck under the boom. The boom, remember the metal part with the sail is going to start swinging over. And you got to stay underneath that so you don't get hit in the head. Make sure also that you turn enough that you don't get stuck in irons. Irons is when you're facing straight into the wind. You'll learn that in your points of sail. And then you can't do anything anymore. You have no control over the boat. So you're going to push the tiller to start your turn. You're going to step to the other side, duck under the boom, and make sure that you don't get stuck in irons. Once you're sitting on the other side, number 3, you're going to have to sit with your hands crossed behind your back because you've got to make sure to face forward the whole time through your tack so that you can see where you're going. So once you make your switch, I'll show you that later in my demonstration, you're going to have your hands crossed behind your back and after you sit on the other side. So the third step is to sit on the other side, on the other gunwale. Finally, you can uncross your hands, just do a little switch. You'll have the main sheet in one hand and the tiller in the other hand. You just switch the hands and can continue sailing normally. So the fourth and final step is to switch hands with the tiller and the main sheet. And then actually you can continue sailing on your other point of sail. Okay, quick demonstration.
Wait, quick
Yeah,
question.
you have a question?
So can you really break down how you switch your hands?
So you switch your hands, you're gonna have. So continuing, they were laughing at my bad spelling and bad handwriting on the board. We had a question on specifically how you would switch your hands behind your back. And so once you make the switch, you're going to be sitting on the other side, still steering with one hand and having your main sheet marker in the other hand, and you're just going to do a little switch and continue sailing like this. So now I'm going to show you guys quick demonstration using these two chairs. This is my tiller, this is my main sheet. Yeah?
When you jibe, do you also push the tiller?
We'll get to that later. We'll get to that. So this is my tiller, my main sheet, and we're gonna do a little tack with the chairs. We're going this way right now. Got our sails pulled in on a nice close hauled. First step is to push the tiller, so we start to turn this way. You're gonna step to the other side. Remember to duck under the boom. Switch, sitting on the other side, always facing forward this whole time here. And then switch behind your back. You can hold them both in one hand for a while you're making that switch. And then you can continue sailing. Same thing if I wanted to attack back. I'd push the tiller, I'd step with my back foot, I'd duck under, and sit on the other side, step over, and then make that switch behind my back for a nice smooth tack. So do any of you want to try doing a tack with these steps? Yeah? Adam, you're gonna try a tack with the chairs here? Here's your tiller, your main sheet. Alright, so you're sailing this way, you're sailing towards me, and you wanna, wind's coming this way, wind's coming from behind you, and you wanna tack over that way.
So I push.
You're gonna push the tiller, start your turn.
Step.
Yeah, we're gonna
Always
get
face
low,
forward.
low under the boom, facing forward.
And then
Sit on the other edge, yeah, nicely, get comfortable, and you can make the switch behind your back. Nice, good tack.
thanks.
Now what about tacking back the other way? What are you gonna do?
Same thing.
Same
just
thing, push. Start turning this way, right?
Turning. Step. Stay low.
Stay low under the boom, don't want to hit your head. Sit on the other
Sit
side.
down.
Yep,
And switch.
switch. Nice. Looks good. Both the other guys, you're gonna try as well.
Alrighty.
Alright, who's next? Nick,
Go
Nick,
next.
you wanna take a shot?
Sure.
You know.
Nick knows how to sail, so he's gonna,
Just a
he's
little
already done this
Just
course.
a little bit.
He's gonna try this.
So,
Fastest.
You're gonna
push the away.
Yeah.
Start, and up.
start to turn this way, yeah?
And step over. Step down the boom.
Yeah, stay nice and low.
Yep. Then you end up on the other side. Like that.
Yeah.
And then keep
Switch
sailing.
and keep sailing, nice and fast. Let's go. And you get back.
Hopefully.
Same steps, just the other way.
So you push away.
Yeah.
Duck under.
Alright.
Hopefully.
Sit on the other side.
And
Keep sailing.
keep
Nice.
sailing.
Alright, looks
Alright.
good. Carter, you want to give it a try? I know you haven't done a lot of sailing. As long as you follow the steps.
Alright. So you push it, turn it out.
Yeah, so you start to turn this way. The boat's going to be turning.
Sure.
You
Duck
step.
under.
Yeah, duck under. Sit on the other side. Get ready to sit on the other side. Get ready, nice comfortable. Steer behind your back.
Yeah.
Nice switch behind your back. Facing forward the whole time.
Alright.
Great. And now you can get back. Another tap.
Again.
Yeah.
And duck under.
Sit on the other side. Yeah. Make sure to stay nice and low under the boom.
Sure.
So you're turning around. Keep turning enough so that you don't get stuck in irons, right? You gotta keep control of the boat the whole time. But that looks pretty good.
Thank you.
All right. Have the tiller in the main sheet. Good job, guys. So now we're gonna learn about gybing. So gybing is very similar to tacking, as I explained earlier, but you're going downwind, and as you're changing which side the sails on. So the only real difference to the steps is to pull the tiller instead of push the tiller. So by pulling the tiller, you're going to start turning the other way, right? So that you can change your point of sail here, right? Or change your direction. So here, there's a couple other little parts to this, but you're going to pull the tiller so it starts turning away, and you're going to duck under the boom, which is going to swing over really quickly, right? Because it's going to change from one side to the other really quick. So a good strategy is to try and grab the main sheet, the big bundle here, and guide it over to the other side while you're switching. So I'm going to pull the tiller, grab the main sheet, guide it over, and then switch sides like this. Keep steering, keep doing my jibe. Then I can let it out again, let it out all the way, and do the switch behind my back. Just like that, and keep sailing downwind. Same thing on the way back. I'm going to pull the tiller, start turning to the left, guide it over, step underneath, sit on the other side, let it out, and then switch behind my back. Okay? You guys got it? Very similar to the tack. Who's gonna try it first?
I'll try.
Try it first.
Alright. So this time you pull it.
Yeah, pull. So you're gonna turn.
And then you duck under.
Yeah, stay nice and low. It's gonna swing over really, really quickly. So he wants to switch sides.
Switch.
You keep turning.
And you Yeah,
Same
go
thing.
back, hold.
Switch, yeah. Make sure you get seated there and then make your switch. And to let the main sheet out. You grab it, guide it over. It's going to come over by itself really quickly once you make your turn, and just let it out slowly. Looks pretty good. Take her out. You guys want to try one? You go for it.
So I'm here, right? The tiller, I pull it,
Yeah. You can
start
start
the
to turn.
turn, grab the main sheet, guide it over,
It's going to come
duck
over this way
under.
really quickly. Yeah. Stay
sit
nice and
down,
low.
and switch.
Yeah. Make sure you hold your main sheet like a microphone, or your tiller like a microphone, not like a frying pan. Right now you're holding it like a frying pan, and you're gonna hold it like a microphone. The other way. Not like thumb towards you. Like this.
Oh,
So
okay.
you're singing into your microphone.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah.
Then to get back, I pull it,
Yeah, you can start to
grab
turn.
the main sheet,
Guide it across. It's gonna wanna swing over.
guide it,
You gotta stay really low
Across.
underneath the boom. Yeah, let it out slowly. It's gonna wanna go all the way out again and make the switch behind your back.
Good.
Really nice. Nick,
Alrighty.
your turn. Show me what you got.
Alright. So you're staying on the crowd win, doing your thing. Then hold slow towards you.
Yeah.
Grab the main sheet. Pull it over. Step over at the same time.
Yeah.
And you end up over here. Like that.
Nice. Make sure you hold it behind your back and then make your switch at the
Yeah.
end and to let out the main sheet slowly.
Alright.
Okay, we're trying to be safe here.
Okay.
And stay nice and low under that boom that's gonna swing over.
Okay.
And really watch out.
Yeah.
Okay? Try one more time, get back over.
Right. So pull towards you.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you pull it over. And you end up here.
Yeah. Take your switch. Yeah. Looks good.
Alrighty.
Looks really good. So guys, that's tacking and jibing. So we learned steps to tacking and jibing, and we got to do a little practice here, and then we're gonna head out in the boats, and we're gonna try it on the water. All right?
Exciting.
Great.